channel today. I buy something yesterday. It was so super duper excited. I didn't open it yesterday, but I'm so pumped. This is I watched some LPS vending machines, but this is a different one. You can buy this at Divimart. It's 125 pesos. So yeah, this is my favorite of the toys of all. Let's open this up. I don't know how these work, so yeah. Oh, okay. Let's just throw this. Not throw in the trash can. And today is 9:06 a.m. Maybe. Just kidding. I don't know yet. This is the vending machine. It's so cool. You can press the buttons. Okay. These are the coins. They look like regular coins, but yeah. See. They are plastic. Oops. This is plastic made, but it's okay. And why there's another thing here. Let's see. Okay, let me slide one. Where did it go? Huh? Oh, I saw it right there. If you put some more, they slide down here. That's cool. And you can pick it up. That's cool. Okay, let's take out of the chip. And this is made, I don't know. I think it's made from China, maybe. Yeah, it's made of China. See? I cannot read it. And this is only for 3 ages, but we are just looking this set. So yeah. So it says they have soda, juice, and some of this chips. There's some flavors of chips. Let's go first with the chips. They have dual pocket chips. These are some onion. Oh. Just a minute, guys. Where?
Yeah.
Sorry, guys. You can see me. These are some onion chips. 2 of the onion chips. 1 cheesy chips. These are some cheese chips. And 1, what is this again? 1 lettuce chips. Let's get the juices. 2 lemon juice. Some chocolate milk. And some water. Perfect. Put the plastic bag. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. I have this wallet bag, but it doesn't have the stripes, but it looks like a bag. I may use that for videos, like a bag. See, it looks like a bag. Okay, put it here. And it fell. Go in there. Okay, perfect. So, these open. And let's put some chips. Let's put some onion chips. Let's put the onion chips in this. Let's start with the chips. Those cheesy chips right here. We got a lot of chips. Let's put this right over here. I call that nasty if it's lemon juice, but I don't like this. It looks fake. I don't like this. It's gross. It's really gross. Okay, now let's start the vid. That means the video. Sweetie, there's a vending machine. Come on. Ow. Coming. There's a vending machine. Yes, there's a vending machine. And I only have 10 cents. Okay, let's see here. What do you want? I want the chips. I want water. I want water too. Let's just get water. Aww. Mommy, chips are healthy. No, they're not. Okay, what kind of chips? I said water. Okay. How many do we get? Oh, we got water. Oh, but I want chips, Mommy. Okay, that's enough. Let's just get the water to make us refreshing. Oh, I see our money. Where? Right there. Oh, okay, let's get some chips. What kind of chips you want? Onion chips. Okay, onion chips. Onion chips? How many are these? Okay. We got one onion chip. And is that it? I want chocolate juice. Chocolate juice. It's chocolate milk, not chocolate juice. Okay? Got it? Yeah, got it. Okay. Get some chocolate juice. Yeah. Okay, here's this chocolate juice. Thank you, Mommy. Here you go. Make it refreshed. And let's get some onion chips. That smells healthy. Okay. And we got a onion chip. Can't get it. Perfect. Okay. This is not yours. Let's go. Just a minute, guys. I'm just gonna fix it up because, yeah. Ah, it fell. The chocolate milk fell. Okay, there. Close it up. Okay. Next is the other flower. Sweetie, come on. There's a vending machine. Snacks. I want some chips. Yeah, I want chips. Okay, we get some cents. I have only 10 cents, okay? Okay, Mommy. Okay, let's see. What do you want? Chips. No, not chips. Let's get some juice. That seems healthy. Why is this open? Oh no. Okay, let's get some juice. Ouch. Okay, get some juice. Perfect. That's okay for us. Some juice. Mommy! I want something! Okay, what do you want? Chips! But I don't have money. I found 2 monies. But I'm not gonna use the yellow one because I think that's a little rude. Oh, this is my money. Okay. I forgot. Okay, let's see. What chips? I want the this chips right here. Okay. How many? 2 chips? No, mommy's only 1. Ow! Oh, I thought it's 2. Okay, get it. Ah! Oh, you got the cheese chips. How lucky. Here you go, sweetie. Here, go. Okay, gonna fix it up again. Okay, open this up. Just a minute, guys. No, this goes here. And these goes here. Done. Okay. Mommy, there's a vending machine. Wait up. And I'm not your mom. I'm your sister. Oh yeah, I forgot. So what do you want, sis? I want something. I have, let me see what I have. I got 30 cents. See, I got 10 cents, I got 10 cents, and I get 10 cents equals 40? No, 30. Oh, that's my second guess. I think you're just thinking. I am thinking. Okay. Let's see. Let me get something. Get some. Okay, let me get some cheese chips. That's good. Okay. Want cheese chips? Here we go. How many do I get? 2? I think I got 2? No, the other was just stuck. I'm just gonna move it. Okay, close that up. What else? I'll get some juice. Yeah, that's okay for me. Get some juice. What kind of juice? Should get some of those lemon juice. That's my favorite. Okay. We should got 2. Yay! I got 2. 1, 2. Yeah. So guys, let me show you what they got on this set. Okay, let's take this off. Just press the buttons. Okay. Let's take these off. By the way, be careful for these, okay? Because they may be like, oh, crunchy. What was that? What's that? Come over here. Oh, it's a spider, okay, it's gross. Aw, but it's still a little cute. It turned into a butterfly. Okay, whatever. So we got the vending machine. Oops. Just kidding. Let me put it back. I know how to put it back. But not the direction. So bye guys. Hope you like this video. Give it a